Hi guys, it's MC. Today is Thursday, the 25th of February 2016. I supposed to go to the gym. Virgin Active, but to have a shower because I'm gonna be working tonight about 7:30. But there's a fire alarm, so all the people in the gym had to go out. So there's a fire brigade coming. Here they are. So I couldn't get in. I was supposed to have a shower before going to work, but the fire brigade is coming to fix the problem. I don't know what's really going on, because I asked one of the members of the gym. They said, oh, there's no point of going in, because I saw people coming out with towels covered their shoulders. So there must be something going on inside, or a fire. Something caught a fire. It's going to be very busy. So this is Cricklewood Lane, Cricklewood Lane, Virgin Active Cricklewood Lane, NW2. That's my gym. So this is the car park. There's lots of members of the gym flooding in. Still wearing their, covering their shoulder with towels. And the smoke alarm, the blankets. Call it, I think that's fire blankets. So this is my first video clip tonight. Tonight is the 25th of February 2016. It's Thursday. It's quite noisy. This is the main Cricklewood Lane. So this is the car park of Virgin Active. It's very busy. So I couldn't have a shower tonight. I cannot have a shower tonight because of this problem. I think there's a fire in there. What's really going on? What's really going on? No idea. Is there any fire? But do you hear the fire alarm? Yeah, it's not really what's going on. So this is me. This is my first diet today. Okay then, I hope you like my short video clip. Tonight. And I'm gonna be working tonight about 7:30. No, I'm gonna be working tonight at 8 o'clock. Not very far from here. Okay then, love you, bye bye.